White, yeah.
Yeah, it's a lovely cream, isn't it?
I hope the blue blends with it. Well, it's a navy blue, it should do, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
It's traditional colours for the brawls, isn't it? I think from years ago.
Yeah. Yeah, it should look lovely.
I love wood and I love it shining.
Maintaining the stuff, that's the problem.
Yes, exactly. Yes. Yes.
Let's have a little look. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
We're back at the boat now. Is it the top coat that's been put on, Matt?
On the hull, yeah.
On the hull.
The decks and the cabin sides, they should be dry now, but
Yeah.
the hull itself grind on it this morning.
Oh, lovely.
I'll get you to put the second coat on properly for you.
So the first coat's gone on the hull part.
Lovely and shiny, isn't it?
Yeah. That'll look nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
How's Jeff getting on with the bow thruster?
Oh, yeah.
He hasn't. I think he's finished it yet, has he?
Yeah, no.
No. No, he hasn't finished the bow thruster yet.
He's got to put the blade in there.
Yeah.
Well, you can't go up on it, can you? You don't know which part's wet and...
Yeah.
Lovely.
Ah. Lots of other boats being repaired and painted in here, as you just see. They are doors. There's one of the boats they're repairing and painting.
Yeah, don't show the names of boats and that.
No, there's no name on it anyway.
No, but it was
So if you like this content, please give it a like, please subscribe, comment. It does help the channel if you do subscribe, it is free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Sorry this was just a short video. Bye for now.